Hello guys, today we prepare the hollandaise sauce. For this recipe you need 2 eggs, we will use only the yolk, so with the white part you can prepare other dishes. I will put you the recipe here in the comments of the video and also at the end of this video. So 2 yolks, 100 gram of butter, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. If you cannot find the lemon like me, you can use the lime, a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper, and 1 or 2 tablespoons of hot water, only to decide the density, the cremosity of our sauce. Now we take the yolk, we put in a cup, we start to whisk, and we put in another pot with the water, because we will for the hollandaise sauce you need to prepare it on the bain marie, but now I will show you, don't worry. After, when our yolk are very creamy, we will add the butter already melted, or should be soft. A little bit, be careful not too much together, if not the sauce become a mess. So little by little, and after we will add the salty, the pepper, we can taste it. Usually this sauce is perfect with the boiled fish, boiled chicken, boiled vegetables, also fresh vegetables, up to you. This is the cremosity that I like it. I add the salt, the pepper, and the lime, so our hollandaise sauce is ready. If you come more close, I show you what's happened when you are not careful with the water temperature. If the water starts boiling, this is what's happened to your hollandaise sauce. The yolk is cooked and the butter is apart. So be careful. If you feel that it's too hot, or when it starts to become hot, you can off the fire. When the cream start to become thick, you need to remove from the water. If not, you will throw everything away. So see you later for the tasting. Very good. It's a bit sour, like I like it. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch all the other videos. Be careful because it's very fat cream, so eat more vegetables than the sauce. In this way you can have the space and also the calories to eat the cake made with the whites of the egg. Bye bye! Or with the eggs whites.